Do you want to sir? Puppet sir?
Yes.
Free or pay something or just pay the ticket?
আগে ফ্রি ভার্সন দেখি তারপরে পেমেন্ট।
Okay. Free version, you have only one free. For another free recharge, 5 hours left. Sorry, 1 day left. I mean, random time, okay? Starting. Name is... Okay. So, the characters are Ellie, Vidi and Teddy, and the show name is Ellie, Vidi and Teddy. Okay, starting.
Which one is Ellie?
This is Ellie. And
কই দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, আবার দেখাও।
this is Ellie.
Okay.
Hi.
হুম।
And this is Vidi. Hi. And this is Teddy. Hi. So Teddy is 10 years old. Ellie is Ellie is 12 years old. And Vidi is 7 years old. Okay?
হুম হুম।
Well, Ellie might be small, but he has a big age than Vidi.
এখানে কই দেখো, তাড়াতাড়ি পাপেট শো দেখাও।
So
I don't have much time. Quick.
La 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 la.
এখানে দেখাও, আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
La 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 la. La la la. Wow, wow, wow. There is a sign. Hey. Wanna hang out today? Nah, I don't have time. I wanna hang out with my friend. Who is it? It is Teddy. Wanna go? Yeah, I will go with you. Okay, let's go. And then Vidi and Ellie went to Teddy's house. And then ring it, ding dong, ding dong. Who is it? It is Ellie. Okay. Hey, who are you, unknown guy? Surprise! I'm Ellie's friend. Oh, okay. But Ellie, don't you have a work today? Oh yes, I forgot. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going right now. So Ellie went to his business now. Vidi. Okay. So now what?